Alright guys, here's a Fortress disc lock. I did bump it a couple of videos back, but we're going to try to pick it for you today. Okay, it is locked. There you go. I'm going to try using the city rake. I've been practicing with this for a couple of days now, but anyway, I'm going to try it on this lock. What works for me on this lock here, it's a Fortress, is relay tension on tension wrench, and just kind of wiggle it as you're going. Light to medium light, not even medium, just like that. And what I do is just stick the rake in nice and slow, and it seems to work. There it is, got it. See that? Okay, I'm going to try that again real quick. It is locked again. Okay. Just light to medium light. That's all you need. And stick the rake in nice and slow. Nice and slow and level. There it is. Got it. Okay. There you go. Fortress disc lock. And lockpicktools.com. That's where you get them. See you later. Have fun.